Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari and listen to me very carefully. I'm going to discuss the types of human rights. When there is a question on types of human rights, you can anticipate three types of question. One, the types of human rights that are available via the Universal Declaration of Human Rights which happened in the year 1948, or there can be question on types of human rights based on the international covenants that happened in the year 1966. Two covenants happened. First one, the civil and political covenant. The other one, the economical, social and cultural covenants. These are the two important international covenants happened in the year 1966, and a question can be on the types of human rights got from those covenants, or there can be a general question on the types of human rights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to discuss the types of human rights based on the UDHR that happened in the year 1948 in this particular video, and in my next video I'm going to discuss the two important international covenant which I have mentioned, and in the third video I'm going to give a very simple notes on types of human rights in a general sense. Hope that makes your life easy. With that, let's get into the first slide. The Article 2 to 21 of Universal Declaration of Human Rights are discussing about civil and political rights. Now these 20 articles are little lengthy, but I have made it very short and I am just going to read them. You heard me right. I have brought in very simple English. Need not to give any explanation for this because I have already shortened them and I have already brought in simple English. I'm just going to read out them and you can take screenshot for the purpose of notes, and the option is for you whether you want to learn it article wise or you want to pick few easy points and write in your exams. That is up to you, but I have given article wise so that whoever in whatever way wants to study, they can choose their way and then go ahead accordingly. So what are the rights? The first right is whatever right that we have got in Universal Declaration of Human Rights is available to every single person in this world. No matter who are you, no matter which state you are in. That is very, very important. And then we got right to life, right to live in freedom and right to have safety. Then nobody can use us for slavery and nobody can torture us or treat cruelly, or nobody can give us inhuman treatment. The next one is we all got legal protection, and such legal protection or the laws are equal for everyone and we all are equal in front of law. We all got legal support which will treat us fairly and there is no unfair treatment to anyone in front of law. There cannot be any kind of arrest or putting in prison or sending away from our country without having sufficient reason. And fair and public trial for the accused and independent and uninfluenced trial will be available for every single person in this world. The Article 11, which is specially focused on the criminal law, which says presumption of innocence until guilty is proven. So anybody and everyone, whoever is in front or is going through trial, treated as innocence until the guilty is proven. And nobody has the right to enter our home just like that or open our emails or intrude to our families without a reason. That is very, very important, and nobody can unfairly damage our reputation. We all as a human being can travel within our country, and if you want to visit other countries also, we have that particular right. We can enter any other country also asking for protection, especially in the cases like asylum. Now we have the right to be citizen of our own state, and if we want to be the citizen of another country, that is also can be taken unless there is an objection with good reason. We all got the right to marry when we are attaining the legal age, and very importantly we have the right to not to marry also. Nobody can force us to get married. That is also available with us, and the government shall protect all of us including our family. This is also one of the important human right which is discussed in Article 16. The next right is very important right which we have already discussed in jurisprudence also, right to have property. That is one another important human right. And then we have the right to believe whatever we want to believe in, right to choose religion or be an atheist, whatever we believe we can follow that. That can be in a private manner or maybe in public manner. Then we have the right to make opinion, we have the right to make our expressions. That is one another important human right. Then we have the right to assemble peacefully and we can also make associations. Then we all have the right to be the part of our government. That means we can vote, we can elect, we can also participate in the election, and all our votes are having equal value. All of these are few other civil and political rights. Then comes the economic and social rights from Article 22 to 27. That means 6 articles of Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948 are discussing about the different economic and social rights that are available with every individual in this world. Article 22 discusses about right to access to work, involvement in cultural activity, and the right to social welfare for the personality development, and freedom to utilize the resources of the country for that is available. Then we got the right to employment, free to choose our profession, and fair salary. Along with that, equal wages for equal work and right to form trade union is also available. We have the right to rest and have leisure time in our work, and there should be limitation on working hours, and there should be paid holidays also available. We have the right to have enough food, clothing, housing and healthcare for ourselves and our families. Along with that, right to have access to support to the ill, elderly, disabled, widowed, expectant mother and her baby is also available. And then we have the right to education, and primary education should be free. And all of this you can also observe that in Indian Constitution also most of them are considered. You can observe that part. And the last article, that is Article 27, right to get involved in our community's arts, music, literature, science, etc. And if we are a musician, writer, artist or something like that, whatever we have created, that should be protected to benefit us. All these are the few important economic and social rights. So we have discussed as many as 26 articles in this presentation, which is all of Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948, starting from Article 2 to 27. I hope that gives sufficient notes to you as far as UDHR is concerned. In my next video, I am going to cover the types of rights from the 2 international covenants. Wait for that video. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos. All the very best for whatsoever purpose you are watching my channel, and thanks again.